Lilly has been at the forefront of medical innovation for nearly 150 years. Our journey began with pioneering medicinal solutions and a deep understanding of our patients' needs. From leading insulin production in the 1920s and 30s,
The discovery of insulin and its application to the treatment of diabetes has been frequently referred to as the greatest development in medicine in a half-century.
to pioneering penicillin manufacturing in the 1940s. We were the first to manufacture and distribute the polio vaccine in the 1950s and launched Seclor in the 1970s. In the 1990s, we brought Prozac to market, followed by Cymbalta in the 2000s. Our legacy is built on unwavering ingenuity. Lilly's manufacturing and quality journey is a story of relentless progress and large-scale production dedicated to enhancing lives. Today, Lilly's commitment to innovation through its workforce, technology, safety, and quality is unwavering. Since 2020, Lilly has committed more than $20 billion to build, expand, and acquire manufacturing sites in the US and Europe, positioning us ahead of our portfolio needs. With state-of-the-art facilities, advanced technologies, and a global workforce dedicated to delivering life-changing treatments, we continue to push the boundaries of medicine and what's possible. Beyond advancing healthcare, Lilly is committed to sustainability. Through novel technologies and green practices, we will minimize our environmental impact and cultivate a healthier world for future generations. Our facilities of the future will enable greater efficiency in the delivery of advanced treatments, offering more effective, personalized, and transformational care to people everywhere. These facilities will also be equipped with state-of-the-art technology used to minimize waste, conserve energy, and sustain resources. As we look towards the future, patient-centered innovation drives us. Advanced technology and automation will increase our production capacity and efficiency so that life-changing treatments will reach patients faster. From our rich history to our revolutionary developments today and our visionary plans for tomorrow, Lilly is devoted to transforming healthcare and improving lives.